Hey, what's up guys, Roman here, Monster Gadgets, and today I am doing a field test of the Insta360 Go 2 compared to the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So I've got them side by side here, and I want to take a look and see how it is in outdoor running situations. Kind of check out the dynamic range, check out the highlights, shadows, see which one picks up better, as well as the audio. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the audio. It is a bit windy out here, so it's a good day to test it out. And right now the audio is coming through the GoPro, and we'll go ahead and show you what the audio looks like under the same conditions on the Insta360 Go 2 now. So now the audio is coming from the Insta360 Go 2, and we'll see how this is. The wind is about the same, so I'm curious to see how well the audio works on the 360 Go 2. Now, the 360 Go 2 only has one microphone, which is located on top of the camera, compared to the GoPro Hero 9 Black that has multiple microphones, so it might pick up better sound. So let's go ahead and switch back to the GoPro now and see what the sound is like on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Oh, this sun is absolutely blinding, but good way to check out the camera, see how it picks up in the sunlight. And then of course, as I enter the shadows, we'll take a look and see which one performs better in picking me up in the middle of the frame. So they are both turned on for stabilization. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some walking here and show you guys what this looks like handheld. I do have the Insta360 Go 2 in the pivot stand, and I've got the GoPro mounted on a holder. So I'm gonna just kind of walk around here. It is an absolutely beautiful day. Right now it's a bit chilly. It's about 40 degrees, but it's supposed to be about 65 later today. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this around so you guys can take a look at the forest preserve here, and I'm gonna hold it this way now so you guys can see that. There's some people out there running around with their dogs. Not sure if this camera, either the camera, could pick that up, but you guys can take a look around and see the forest preserve, and it will give both of the cameras an opportunity to now check audios from behind, as well as, again, see how it picks up in the different lighting conditions. To me now. I do have to disclose these are both being recorded in 1080p, so just FYI on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and go into our pathway here. So we are at, let's take a look at how well it picks up this sign here. Forest Preserve, DuPage River Trail rules. So again, I'm not sure how well this is picking up on either of the cameras, but we'll take a look in post and see how these pick up. All right, so again, I'm holding these handheld. Let's go ahead and go for a run or a slight jog to see how well the stabilization is on both of these cameras. Doing a brisk jog right now. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stop here, turn around, and let's go opposite direction of the sun to see how the colors look on both of these cameras. Now we'll do a brisk walk. We'll go check out the river here in a second. This is the DuPage River. Before we do, let's take a look at the history and see how well these cameras pick that up. All right, to go for another jog. Now we're going to be coming into the shaded area. Coming onto the river. I'm going to be quiet now so you guys can hear the wildlife, if the wind allows. Right now coming from the GoPro. And now coming from the Insta360 Go 2. Alright. Brisk walk. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it here real quick. Alright, let's now take a look at how both of these cameras take photos. So here's photo number 1, and here's photo number 2. Which one do you think is from which camera? Alright guys, let's take a look at the first clip here. Overall, the GoPro Hero 9 Black does a fairly decent job, but as I start getting into the sunlight here, as it gets brighter, as you can see it's a bit more saturated. Where the Insta360 Go is probably a bit more washed out, but you be the judge. Alright, let's take a look at the second clip here. As I'm walking towards the grass, I'm sure you guys will notice the grass on the Insta360 Go 2 is a lot more vivid. And the sky is also a little bit deeper blue, especially when you go towards the sun here. The details in the clouds are more visible on the Insta360 Go compared to the GoPro Hero 9. What do you guys think? Alright, last but not least, let's do the stabilization test. Here, as I pick up pace, you guys can tell very clearly the GoPro Hero 9 Black is far more stable than the Insta360 Go 2. Now, with that being said, take a look at the colors on the Insta360 Go 2, especially the grass. Now, when I turn around here, you guys will see a shift in the color. I'm not sure exactly why the 360 Go 2 did that. Obviously now I'm facing away from the sun, but now it's far too yellowish, far too washed out, where the GoPro 9 kind of kept its tone. So from a stabilization standpoint, the GoPro wins, but the color just not stable enough on the Insta360 Go in my opinion. Alright guys, let me know in the comment section below which one you think is a better quality camera. In my opinion, the Insta360 Go 2 does a great job, but it's just not steady enough with its colors. The GoPro is definitely a lot more stable in regards to stabilization of the video, as well as a microphone, because it has multiple microphones instead of just one microphone. So Insta360 is great for someone who is looking for portability, someone who wants to quickly take the camera out and record a short clip or short clips, where the GoPro Hero 9 can do a lengthier clip and also provide overall better video quality and sound. So I personally think the GoPro Hero 9 definitely wins, but again, you guys in the comment section below which camera you think is better, and really if they're even the same ballpark or the same spectrum, if you will, or not. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.